show you how to do nails. So first I'm going to do a pink, and then I'm going to do white crackle on top. So let's open the pink. See? So you put pink on, normally. Okay, I need to get the crackles out, the sides. So it's like that. Then you do all of it again. Like that. Then you get the paint off. Like that. Then you can do all the way through to the end. And we take the bits off the side before it dries, so it won't stay like it. So like that. And you always take the bits off the finger. And you always have to concentrate, and no boys or that near us. And then when you've done one hand, you blow. Then you wait. And you get another hand. It's a bit hard to do it on your left hand. You're right-handed. You're right hand on your left, right-handed. So I've messed it up a bit, but it'll be alright when you do it.
And subscribe to my channel.
That's my brother Leon, he's a bit weird. And then on to the next one. And I'm on my last one now. Now I have to wait for him to dry. Now I'll do the crackle. So there they are. Wait for them to dry. Okay, that one's dry. My thumb on my left. My another finger. They're all dry. Oh, no. Then you blow them so they get dry. So they're dry, so zip it up. Then you get the crackle. Then you paint over it again. Done that a bit wrong. And we wait for these to dry. This one's not going very well, but it'll be alright. So they're how they're meant to look like. And I'll do it on this hand. Sorry about that, my cat knocked the bottle over. And this is how they're meant to look like when they're done. Okay, that's the end of my show. I'll see you next week or tomorrow. Okay, bye.